Well, good morning, y'all. As you can see, we've had some storm damage. A few weeks ago, high winds with some rain came through and knocked a couple of these Bradford pears. Trust me, I wish I could get rid of them, but knocked a couple of these things down. This one here is blocking our driveway, actually, about midways down our driveway here at the farm. So we are gonna get it chainsawed up and moved out of the way, hopefully. We've had so much rainfall that I don't know if we're going to be able to get it all done, but we're at least going to get a good start on it. Mainly just because it's ugly and it's in the way, and it's something we need to do. So let's see what we can get done. It has been raining over a week now. We've gotten several inches of rain, and it's pretty wet and muddy, so who knows? I do hope everybody had a good holidays. It's late December and it is like 65 degrees today. It's a little abnormal for this time of year to have this kind of weather, but I'm not going to complain a whole lot. It could be worse. But holidays are over. It's time to get things going again. I might be cheating a little bit here, but dragging them all the way to the burn pile over there is gonna take quite a while. So I'm gonna cheat a little bit, see if this four-wheeler can't help speed things up just a little bit for me, make it easier as well, work smarter, not harder, I guess. I don't know. This is much better than doing this by hand. I gotta say, I'm impressed. Had a little bit of issues with the chainsaw. It's not really doing just the best, performing the best, but I don't hardly ever use it, so that's kind of to be expected a little bit. But I'm really impressed with the four-wheeler, being able to move all that, especially that last piece and that time lapse. That was quite the load there, but it handled it like a champ. We got one more up here, not nearly as big. I'm probably just gonna time lapse it for you. Well, that looks a whole lot better. I'm so glad I got that taken care of. Just time and weather and, you know, all the other excuses I could come up with for not getting it done earlier, but it's done now. I feel a whole lot better. It looks a lot better. You might have noticed there was a cable in the clip with that last tree. Maybe you didn't. If you didn't, then I'm telling you about it. That is an abandoned, vacant, whatever you want to call it, cable line that ran to the old home site on this place. This farm did have a house on it. It was torn down, probably 20 years ago now. And the lines were just abandoned. They never came and took them down. The cable companies and power companies didn't. They are open both at the circuit, at the road, and disconnected from pretty much everywhere. So there, it's harmless. It could not have shocked me or done anything to me. I did take the measures of finding that out, obviously checking the circuits and stuff on the poles, but contacting the companies to verify that. I'm on the books for them to come and take it down. Who knows when they'll actually show up to do that, but it is scheduled. I was still very careful around it. I made sure not to drag any of the tree limb over it. That's why I cut the tips of the branches off. Just a added security, never hurts anything. I apologize that I've not been posting a whole lot of videos here recent. It's winter time, it's the holiday season here in Arkansas. It's the rainy season, start of it. We get a ton of rainfall this time of year. It's rained even today, and now I say it's just been a little bit of sprinkles, but that is still rainfall. That is the least amount we've gotten in over a week now. Several inches have come down on the ground. It's hard to get anything done when it's like this. It's just a slow time on the farm, but we're gonna try our best to get more consistent with content again. many different things coming up, especially after we get to the first of the year and we start warming back up. I say warming back up at 65 today, but getting more springtime, the grass starts growing again. Get closer to that time of period. Whole lot more stuff coming up, and we're gonna try our best to be consistent about bringing it to you here on YouTube. But if you haven't already, please like and subscribe. Oh, we have a website now. It is kingfamilyfarms.org. You can find it on my social media pages. I will link it in the description here in this video. But you know, we have a page on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, here on YouTube. Now we have a website. You can actually buy beef on the website and pork. Don't know about shipping yet, but you can see how it's set up online right now. If you are interested in having that shipped to you, let me know. Send me an email, leave me a comment, let me know. I'll be happy to work something out with you. And if I have enough of you, then I'll get it properly set up online to have shipping in effect. But anyway, appreciate y'all following along. If you hadn't already, please like and subscribe. Comment the video. Leave me comments. I love to hear from y'all. Appreciate all the support. We'll see y'all next time.